Yes, another 2001 Ranger cold start. Um, I've got it full of junk right now. I have to move it because I need to use the leaf blower on the ground underneath where it's parked, and it's been raining, so all the leaves are sticking. This hasn't wanted to start up the past couple times I've started it. I think it's because it was so low on gas. I figure I'm all done with cutting grass for the season, so I took my gas can that I use for the lawnmower and the weed whacker. I dumped it all in here. It was probably close to a gallon, so maybe it'll start. Ooh, blue smoke. Lovely. Yeah, hopefully this coming week I can get started on getting the bed off, getting the friggin' frame done, and go from there. Get this check engine light taken care of. The Jeep, I'm gonna make another video on that at some point. That's not looking too good. Because there's a point where you gotta just give something up, and it's at that point. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll try to get some videos uploaded later. I just gotta come here and get some yard work done and some stuff done inside the house. So it's just a crazy weekend. Anyways, like I said, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.